room 5137. This is a beautiful family junior suite. This also has premium level. Quick peek at the first washroom. Got your vanity, large shower, rainwater shower head, and then the toilet. And we'll take you into the first living area. So this is a bedroom slash living room. So you've got 2 double beds, drawers, a desk. You have 2 couches and a coffee table. Those do convert into beds. They're not pull-outs, but you remove those cushions, the big green cushions on the back that you see here. Those remove, they become a bed space. We've got the balcony here. So this is a garden view, but you can also see the ocean as well when you're out on the balcony. I'll take you out there in a minute. So this is a look at the living slash bedroom area. And now we're going to take you into the main bedroom area. You've got a double vanity. Nice, beautiful big king bed. You've got another couple of sofas in here. You've got your storage, drawers, desk, the safe and the minibar. Again, 2 nice large couches, a coffee table, and we'll head out to the balcony. And one of the things I really love about this resort is most of their rooms have a jacuzzi on the balcony, or in this case, the terrace. You have 2 lovely lounge chairs, a table and 2 chairs. And as I mentioned, this is right in the lovely courtyard garden, but you do have a beautiful view of the ocean just in the distance there. Beautiful sea breezes. Okay. Another look at the balcony, the terrace. This is the family junior suite premium level. Take you back through the room. This is the main bedroom area. And we'll enter into the washroom area. Double vanity. Great when everyone's trying to get ready for the day or for a lovely dinner. You have the toilet area and a bidet. Take a quick peek at the shower. Rainwater shower head. Handheld nozzle as well. You've got your dispensers for your body wash, shampoo, conditioner, the towels, a little bench space. Lots of storage as well. This will be all your hangers and some more drawers. Take a quick peek. Yeah. Got a house coat in there. And back through into the main room area with the 2 double beds, couches, television. This is the family junior suite premium level. This is great for bigger families that need a lot of space. You'll really enjoy this room, and of course you'll have the elevated level of service with premium level.